So let's take a look inside of the window cleaning blueprint course here. This is the actual course that you'll be getting full access to, and it's completely optimized for your mobile phone. We have the welcome and agenda videos teaching you how to use the course, how to go about it, and how you can get the most out of it with MP3 downloads of everything inside of the course so you can listen while you work. And you just press next to go to the next lesson. Watch the lesson, next lesson. Here we go. Here's me teaching all about business and in very incremental bite-sized steps where you can learn one piece at a time, all the stuff about marketing and how to get an ROI, return on investment in your business. Here's a video about how to set up your corporation, an entire screencast presentation video, and I'm going to teach you how to get your business legitimized. And then here's the fun part. Collecting and managing money. That's a whole nother part here. Pardon about that. Shh, my dog's in the background, and he's going to bark for about an hour now. Okay, let's walk around a property together. See? Full property walks and pricing. This is me walking around
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And pointing exactly, how much to charge for each different window, so you get all your pricing right. And more property walks and pricing, and an entire water-fed pool video, a 4-part video. This is a lot of stuff about the water-fed pool. This is a really fun video. So we're gonna go. I show you all the tools and everything, and inside of my trailer and my setup. Just one more quick thing, so you can see here.
There's a window that the shade is always down, and you know that the curtains are over.
There are lots of teaching there in that video. There's so much in there. It's so valuable. So we go inside of a customer's home. I actually got a permission, and I take you through the entire process of cleaning windows and how we do it, and cleaning tracks, how to clean screens. Here's another huge one. I show actually how to clean windows.
Alright, what's going on? And it's like,
there you go.
There's nothing.
And we do close-up shots of actual techniques with the squeegee and how to actually do it so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. There's a lot of tips inside of there and how to do that. Scraping windows, and all of these have downloads for media release forms, window scraping, waiver release, PDF download, so you don't get in trouble if you scrape somebody's window or you're educated too. There's a lot of that. We have an entire interview with Mike Warway from Detroit Sponge. This isn't just an awesome. This one video here specifically is on YouTube. So my course is not a compilation of videos that are already on YouTube at all. But there is a couple videos that were really good on YouTube, and I very specifically disclaim, hey, this video was on YouTube, but it really goes good inside of the course to piece it up together. And then here's the most powerful part. Is an interview right here with Joshua Latimer. This one is unbelievable.
One interesting thing is that bad, and nobody, again, it's not perfection, it's just progress. You want to make progress in all these areas.
Wow. Amazing interview. Here's a training by Sid Graff from Squeegeology. This guy has a 6-figure business, and how to get customers fast and keep them for life. His entire training right there is just powerful from a guy who's been in the business for years and is very successful. And then staying inside of the course, a week and 2 weeks and 3 weeks on, we get powerful interviews that are released to you in drip feed fashion, so you don't get everything dumped on you at once and you're not overwhelmed. I want you to learn and absorb this stuff. And there's a lot more going to be added to the course as time goes on, but this is a very powerful course you can take directly from your phone that will equip you. And like I said, the price of the course will pay itself off in 1 or 2 window cleaning jobs, so I hope you're not concerned about that. And it pays me for my time for putting all this together for you. So thank you very much. That's the inside of the window cleaning blueprint course.